Ladies and gentlemen, I am excited to announce that here at the Santa Clara Elks Lodge, we finally have activity towards the building of our new lodge after a fire 3 years ago. Here is video of the demolition process started a few days ago, but first, actual footage of the fire and what it looked like before and after.
Larry, he's Elk of the Year, Elk of the Millennium, one or two. One.
Larry.
See, that's why we made him Elk of the Year for a second year. Without him,
Oh, that thing was wet, I'll tell you.
He's got a big shovel. He'll fix a lot of things.
Well, I've been a member for 39 years. I've done a lot of fixing here.
That many people.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, good thing you got everybody in.
Yes. We make sure everybody's safe.
Thanks for that. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
So part of the demolition is the roof and 5 walls in the back corner where the fire got so hot in the kitchen that the panels, the concrete panels, need to be replaced. So the walls all need to be braced in order for them to not fall over, obviously, for the demolition and then the reconstruction. So you can see them inside, they're putting the bracing up to hold the walls. And if you can see over here, there's the backyard. The grass is about this tall. So hopefully soon, like I said, we're gonna be able to, once the safety part of it is completed and the demolition is completed, we'll be able to put a temporary fence across the backyard, separating the construction and the backyard, where we might be able to use the backyard for events. don't want to move it twice. Stuff's happening at the lodge.
Cleaned the storage area, got everything out and into the trailer that we could salvage. And the demo guys just left and will be back. But as you can see, so much has already been done. Excited to get this rebuilt.
Yes. Demolition has been approved and started. Plans are at the city for final permit.
Right.
How
For
soon
permits.
does the bar open?
If you want to drive by and kind of look over your shoulder, feel free to do that, but please do not bug the construction guys because we're paying them by the hour. Looking forward to hopefully being open before midterm, or at least having a hard hat lunch here where we can show everybody what it's going to look like. Cut.
We have an RV park and it is open during construction. Call our main office and get the RV host's phone number and you'll get some info. Yeah, I'm the RV host, okay, just calm down. In a nutshell, we have a lot of things to be grateful for and one of them is the RV park got gravel. Yeah, that's the guy.
We're here at the Elks Lodge, putting this gravel down. We got Matt, Miles, thanks to
Yeah.
Miles, we got this donation.
If you're not
Rich is
here,
here.
then you're not here.
Where's everybody else? There you go.
Can I say hi?
Yes.
Hi, Rich.
How you doing?
Hi, Michelle.
Oh, you're shooting videos?
Yeah, now I got you guys.
Lodge Trustee Rich. Can't believe we voted you in again. This jewel of your office is conferred upon you an expectation that you will use the utmost prudence and good judgment in your attention to the finances and property of this lodge. Be diligent in performing this responsible trust.
Okay, who added last month's installation videos? You guys. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. And now some clips of our next show and possibly some bloopers. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless. No camping back here. I'm the RV host. You have to,
We're not, we're lawn maintenance, lawn maintenance.
You got any rules against fires?
campfires?
If I can cut this wood.
I wish I had a campfire. Some people don't like the camera, so it's kind of go in and out there. Do you guys sleep okay? These are my neighbors.
No.
Did you meet them?
There's some jack snorting.
What an idiot, huh?
Yeah. Kept me up all
And
night.
his trailer's not even level.
They're stupid heads, too.
Hey, you found that?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
In the water.
In the water.
It's not alive.
It is.
It's fucking-
No,
there's
what
no.
is that?
Well, it's dead now.
No. Where's the tail?
It was already
I
gone.
got hungry.
Okay, so look what we bought. Take two. Diana here. I remember her name from 5 seconds ago. And Johnny helped me out with the computer and the GoPro, which we're carrying with us. We're not stupid, leaving it in the car. Okay, $1,000. Let's do this.